Today I am going to show you how we can draw a stair. So we have a tab in architecture circulation stair tab, but in this there are 4 types of stairs. We can draw them easily with them, but sometimes we do not have a similar space to draw the exact stair, so we have to sketch the every part of it. So I am showing you how we can sketch it. So we have an option with a pen marker and how we can sketch. I'll just click on the, so you have to just give the boundary first, then risers, then stair path. So first I click on the boundary and so this is our stair boundary. Then we draw risers and I want them to select them and make sure to take the last line is with the risers. It's not a boundary line, it's a riser line. So if you draw a boundary line here, stair will not be completed and it will take problems. So we're now going to draw stair path here. I just want to make sure of it to be in the center. So we just draw simple lines first. So it is not in the center. So we have to take care of it first to make sure it is in the center. Save once, okay, and after that I'll click on OK. So now our stair is created, and this is a very similar sketch, and yes, I did provided landing here, and we can draw this simple method and we can draw our modified stair.